Hey guys, welcome back. In last video, we have seen how we can customize visits, for example, text field. So for that, I have created a separate class and here I have imported this and used this. Now here in this video, we are going to understand how we can design a login screen by using these customized text field or maybe your text field, whatever you want to use. You can use this also or you can use customized field also. So how to design a login screen, that I'm going to explain. For that, I'm just making some changes here. So like I have here column, so I want to set this column into the center of the screen. So I set this information. I say main axis, I say main axis dot center. Save this and try to check this. You see it's automatically coming into the center. Now one more I can set. I can say cross axis. So I say cross axis dot center. Save this and automatically it will adjust to the center of the screen. So first thing we have done. Now on top of this I have to write a text. I say here this is login. So here I say login. Okay, I need to set the style. So for that here I say text style. Here I say font size is 30 and color of this is green. So I say color dot green. Save this and you will see that login is coming. I can increase the more size. I say 40 and I make it bold also. So I say font weight dot bold. Save this. So like this login is coming and here also here I say login. Here in this button name I just change and here I say login. Okay, button is coming login. So this is also login. So I can say login user. Okay, just change little bit like this and I can increase the size of button text also. For that I say style. I say text style. Under this I say font size is 30 like this. So this is and I can also make a space between this field and this. I say size box here I say height is 20. So like that way I can make some adjustment, you see. And this is enter your name and password. So I modify this. So label I say enter username and here I say username. Okay, here I say enter password and hint I do not have here. I have a obscure also. So true, this information will make this text as a true. I save this and you will see that now enter username and enter password like this. Okay, username and password. The font is you can say too big and little bit problem is we are facing in the customization of this. So I go here and I can decrease the size of a label. So this is a label. I said 20 is the label size this way and you will see that modification is done. Enter username. Here we have the hint also username. Here password, we have no hint on password. So here I can write password whatever I want. I can give user also. I say Dr. Vipin. Here I say Dr. Vipin Kumar like this. So this is the login screen and when I click here it will display toast. Username and password is this because in the previous video I have explained how to display toast on click of button like this. You can display information and if you connect with any particular database at backend by using API, then you can send this information to that particular API server and that from there you will get verification. If screen is verified, you can go to the next activity. So how we can go next activity, how we'll do that we will learn in later videos, but here I have given the fundamental how to design a login screen by using this customized text field. Remember that all the code available here in this text field. You can customize this field automatically whatever you want and finally just you use here less amount of code we have here. My text field this much of 2 or 3 line, this much of 2 or 3 line. All the complication is there in the separate file. Like this you can make a customization of your visits and whatever you want to change. Suppose you don't like this color, this red color, this color. So just to go to the one place here and change this automatically. Like I don't want this red color, I want here green color, or I can say some other color. So I say blue color, suppose I say, and I save this, and you will see automatically the blue color will change for all the widgets. You see this look better. So I go there, let's convert to blue color. I come here and convert to blue color. Remember that. So just one place you have to customize your widget, and automatically it reflects on other places also. So like this we design professional applications in Flutter. So if you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this.